Hi everyone, it's James in Japan. Today I'm going to take a photo at a photo booth.
Today I'm getting photos for my residence card. I'm going to show you how to do it. Photo size 30 by 40 millimeters. Before you insert money, select the type of photo you want using these buttons. I want standard. And in this case it'll cost 800 yen.
Standard.
Press Kette, which means confirm. Now for this machine, there are two languages, Japanese or English. Of course, I'm choosing English. Once you've selected your language, press the green button.
800 yen.
Now it's time to insert your money. It only accepts 1,000 yen notes. Press the green button to confirm the amount.
Now, use the blue buttons to choose the size of your ID photos. Then press the green button.
Residence card.
This is what you selected. If it is correct, use the blue buttons to choose yes. If you choose no, your money will be returned and you will be able to start again from the beginning.
I choose yes.
Please select your change. Please read the instructions carefully.
Before taking photo, adjust seat height to center head in red circle. Assure to place head within red circle. Close the curtain. Photo will be taken 3 times. Okay? Check.
Close the curtain, okay.
Okay, press OK. Okay, I didn't see this at first, but to my right, there's a little sign that says turn the seat either right or left to adjust the seat. Spin the seat left to raise the seat. Spin it right to lower the seat.
Spin this, you gotta spin this to the right to lower it. Okay.
Next, use the blue buttons to choose the best photo. Then press the green button. Please wait. Your photo will be ready for collection outside the booth. Thank you, and see you soon.
Don't forget to shut the curtain. You can enhance your photo by paying extra.
Okay, they're done. Here they are.
Done.
And that's the way to do it. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.